Hey sand fans and Dunatics, Sand Phil here. Hey, I got a couple minutes before I gotta go to work and I got a new product in and we're gonna see how it works. What do you say? Not really a product review, but just something I kinda need. And anyway, let's go see how it works. I'll show you what's going on. Okay everybody, I've been wanting to try one of these things out. I bought this one on eBay. They go for about $40. I think shipped this one was about $45. But what this is a Sandblaster kit that goes on my power washer. And I got a little bit of time right before I go to work to try this thing out. I've got some sandblast media that I had from my sandblasting cabinet still. So I think I'm going to go get it and we'll see if we can't clean up the base to the seats for the van. So let me go get all this set up. I'm going to switch over to the waterproof GoPro so I don't get my good camera messed up, and I'll get it all set up and we'll see what it does. Alright. Okay everybody, so here's what we got. I got it hooked to the end of my power washer. And this hose goes down, and then this end of it goes in the media. Now I'm worried that all this is going to get wet. So I'll figure something out. I may put a tarp or something around this guy. But alright, let me get her set up and we'll start recording. Okay guys, here we go. I mean, it did okay. It definitely plugs up a lot, so just beware of that. And it might work better with a bigger media. I was shooting glass beads out of it that I had for my my sandblasting cabinet, and so I think it might actually been better with just like, I've seen the guys on YouTube, they've been running play sand in it, so maybe that's what we should try. But anyway, I got to get ready and go to work. I am covered head to toe in sand and water. Sand and water? Anyway, I'm a mess. Anyway, hey man, I've been noticing I don't get a whole lot of subscribers. Everybody watches my videos, but not too many subscribers. So hit that subscribe button, man. Stay tuned. We got more sanding stuff coming up. We've got that 3.8 supercharged engine coming out of the Buick. It's going to go in the sandrail. We got to do some transmission work. We still got to finish the van. So anyway, stay tuned and come back. And as always, be safe out on the dunes. Bye.
What the hell?